Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ECE Scholastic. I am Jasmine. In the previous session, we have discussed what is a signal flow graph, what are the basic elements and terms, and how we are going to represent the elements and terms with respect to symbols. Okay. In today's session, we are going to see what are the rules in signal flow graph and what is Mason's gain formula. Okay. So let's start with the topic rules of SFG. Similar to that of the block diagram reduction technique rules, I am going to categorize the rules of SFG under 4 categories. That is, first one is cascade, second one is parallel, third one is mixed node, and the last one is loop. Okay, so if I am having a combination of two gains in a cascaded connection, I can combine these two branches into a single branch as a product of the gains. That is G1, G2. Okay, similarly, if I am having a parallel branches that may be represented by a single branch whose transmittance is replaced as sum of the gains of the two branches, correct? Next is mixed node. So what is mixed node? Mixed node is a combination of incoming branches and the outgoing branches. If in a system I am having a mixed node, I can eliminate the mixed node by combining the gains of the branches. So the first branches from 1 to 3, 3 to 4 I am having a mixed node. Similarly from 2 to 3, 3 to 4 I am having a mixed node. So I am going to eliminate this mixed nodes as this. That is, so for the first path I am multiplying the gains. Similarly for the second path I am multiplying the gains such that the mixed node gets eliminated. Okay. So if I am having a loop in a forward path, how I am going to eliminate? So let's say x1 is the first node, x2 is the second node, and x3 is the third node. The gain between first two nodes is g1, the gain between x2 and x3 is g2. From x3 to x2 is minus h1. Okay. So I'm going to eliminate this loop into a single branch. So what is x2? g1 x1 minus h1 x3. Correct. Similarly, how can I write x3? x3 is equal to g2 into x2. In the place of x2, I am going to substitute this expression. So what happens? g2 into g1 x1 minus h1 x3. Correct. So I am going to multiply all these terms. So I will get the answer as x3 is equal to g1 g2 x1 minus g2 h1 x3. Correct. Now I am going to collect x3 on one side. So that is x3 plus g2 h1 x3 is equal to g1 g2 x1. Now I am going to collect x3 as a common factor. So 1 plus g2 h1 is equal to g1 g2 x1. What is my aim? My aim is to find gain. What is gain? Output by input. So what is the output here? x3 is the output. What is the input? x1 is the input. So I am going to find what is x3 by x1. So x3 by x1 is equal to, from this expression what is my answer? g1 g2 divided by 1 plus g2 h1. Correct? I can replace the complete SFG into a single diagram as this. Okay? So that's all about rules for SFG. Next we will be seeing what is Mason's gain formula. In the introduction part itself, I have told you the signal flow graph was developed by S.J. Mason. So S.J. Mason can also be called as Samuel Jefferson Mason. He framed a rule to find what is the overall gain or what is the overall transfer function of the given system. Mason's gain formula is given as the overall transfer function or a gain of a system can be calculated as T of S is equal to C of S by R of S, which is equal to 1 by del into summation K Pk del K, where T of S is called as the transfer function. As we know, transfer function is nothing but Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace transform of the input. Now I am going to explain this formula. That is, K is called as the number of forward path. As you know, forward path is from input to the output, in which forward direction the signal is traveling, which is called as the forward path. Correct. So first we will be identifying how many forward paths is available in the given SFG. Next is Pk. Pk is called as the forward path gain. If I am saying this is a forward path, if I am saying this is a path 1, so I can say the gain of path 1 is called as P1. Okay. So Pk is nothing but the gain of the particular forward path. Next is del K. Del K is del value for the particular forward path. Okay. Next is del. So the formula to calculate del is 1 minus sum of individual loop gain plus sum of gain products of all possible 2 non-touching loops minus sum of gain products of all possible 3 non-touching loops plus sum of, it goes like this. So first is individual loop, next is 2 non-touching loop, next is 3 non-touching loop. So what will be the next one? 4 non-touching loop. Okay, it goes on like this. So we can say the first one is minus, so the next is plus, third one is minus, the next is plus. Alternate signs will be used in the formula of del. Okay, so this is about del formula. Next is the formula to calculate del K is 1 minus sum of the gain of individual non-touching loops in the kth forward path. Okay. Now from these formulas you can say that we are having a forward path. Okay, so we will be having a forward path gain. We are having individual loop, we will be having a gain related to the individual loop. Similarly, 2 non-touching loop, we will be having gain. Next is 3 non-touching loop, we will be having a gain. Next is 4 non-touching loop, we will be having a gain. Correct. So I am going to tell you how we are going to represent all these gains. So first is forward path gain. So forward path gain is represented as P1, P2, P3, etc. up to Pn depending upon the value of K. Okay. Next is individual loop. So individual loop gain is represented as P11, P21, P31, etc. up to Pn1. That is, if we are having n number of loops, then we can say that like this up to Pn. Since we are talking about individual loop, individual in the sense 1, adding the variable as 1. Okay. Next is 2 non-touching loop. So how will you represent? Same pattern. The second element will be 2. Okay. Next is 3 non-touching loop. The second element will be 3. So it goes on like this. Okay. So that's all about Mason's gain formula. Today's session is over. In the next session we will be solving the problems under SFG. If you have any queries, please mail me. Thank you for your patience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.